I am.
Why?
Okay, we are going into Chuck E. Cheese because we haven't been there in many years.
And
So,
we're crazy, so
we're also very immature, but we're proud of it.
I'm gonna watch pizza, 2 soft drinks, and 35 game tokens for $27.99.
I'm not doing that. It is roped off though.
Except if you book, you find it online, you get 20 extra.
They're supposed to assist.
Just doing that. Not for the child, but as a book.
What kind of accent is that?
And also we don't make
I'm trying to figure out what that accent is.
I don't know, but the
nice
games
thing
and
is
stuff
when
are
you
on
call
yet.
this number, they know you're calling from here. The only item we accept from us, it's very important. That's the only item that has to come. We say okay. And ice cream too. Something. But that's it.
Does it come with cup?
No, cup is extra. $1.99
Okay.
extra. And then you're gonna have birthday cups like this.
Okay.
For each child you pay. Everybody gonna get tokens? Please thank you.
Oh, neat. Whoa. I'm kind of scared now. What'd they do? Get rid of the big singing stuffed animals because they were scaring kids or something?
What?
They used to have these stuffed, like a bird and a monkey and everything up on a stage, a giant one that would sing to everybody. Well, they do the one in Benicia.
Where do we get tokens?
I don't know. Ask them.
No, pull my finger.
Where are you from? What? Pull your finger? Gross. Brianna.
You get to pull my finger.
Oh, okay. I thought you were like asking me to pull your finger. I was like, ew.
Oh, yeah, we should ask
I dare you to get in there and you don't got a hair on your butt if you don't.
What?
So I can take pictures of you in it. Get in it.
You should ask him where we get tokens from.
Why don't you go ask him?
God, and you can ask him what he...
No. You ask him.
No, you.
It was not my idea.
I need to get change.
Change. I should have brought my change. Can you hook her up with some tokens?
Tokens? Yeah. How much you wanna buy?
What buys what?
They're 25 cents each.
So do it, girl. You got
I'll help you up for it.
I'll get $10
refundable. That means you have to spend, but
Or you
spend
have to-
wisely.
Or you can come back. It never expires.
Yeah, but I'm not from here.
You're not.
No. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Turkey.
Turkey. Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
My first best friend was from Turkey.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I lived in Germany, and that's where I met her.
Oh, yeah. Germany has millions of Turkish people.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. How funny. Okay. Anything else you like? Yeah? Okay.
have to play a game too. You have to play
Me?
it, yeah.
Let me look at your change.
I suck at these games, girl.
Probably, but that doesn't matter.
Hey, look at the medal. Aha! I want to win this medal. That would be awesome.
I think that's her birthday gift.
Well, then I'll just put this hat on and tell him it's my birthday. I don't know what I'm gonna do when he asks to see my ID, though. I'll be like, there was like a printing error. They didn't put my birthday on my ID. I'm like the only person in America they made that mistake with. I feel so left out. Is it zoomed out all the way, or is it, oh yeah? Okay, so apparently those are the pizza sizes. Oh, somebody's coming in. Okay.
Stop it.
I want one of those hats.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
They have receipts now.
This kind of looks like a roulette wheel.
Spin the wheel faster. Hurry! Crank the handle before time runs out.
Hurry, Bree, crank the handle.
Oh, give me then.
Spin the wheel faster.
Spin it faster.
That's it. Nice job. Way to go.
No.
3.
His hand comes out and she's like, pull my fingers. Seriously, this game is called Pull My Fingers? Oh my god.
Oh my point.
Not pull your fingers? Was that a pig? That sounded like a pig.
Banana-tastic.
Banana-tastic.
Why, young cat.
Ripper!
What? It didn't print. They gotta replace the printer.
Oh well.
That's not your fault.
Still move. Give me my coins.
Oh, I thought you were taking my water. I was like, no! Okay, helicopter. Oh, this is cool. So what do we do?
I got the bonus. I got 25 tickets. Woohoo!
Do you dance? Do you dance?
No.
You're not gonna do your dance? You just won. You have to do a victory dance.
Oh look, it's all coming out.
Wow. Dang, that did print a lot of tickets. Look at that. All over the floor and it's spitting out more.
It's mine.
That's a trippy game. Those look like potatoes.
Get all that out.
There's your mom. Hey. See, she does have an inner child. She's at Chuck E. Cheese.
Yes. Are you ready to go? No, I still have time to talk it. What do you mean you want me more?
Oh.
Are you spoiling my child?
Yeah, just a little. Ski ball in a long time. Everybody thank y'all tonight. Oh, right on. Right on, really. Thank you. Gargoyle. I say we play Wheel of Fortune. Or no? Oh, this machine is temporarily out of service. Okay, I'm blind as a bat. That sucks. That really bites. Let's go back over here.
All the way to here. And then anything in the case, as you see, they're all indicated. And you can see from your side how much they are. You can mix and match. As well as the cotton candy. That's also $1.99 or $200.
What do you want, hon?
I'm gonna get you a crown.
A crown? Me? I feel so special. My daddy says I'm a princess.
Yeah. There you go. I want the crown.
Actually, yesterday he said we all were, so that should help us up. Red.
Red?
Yeah.
Red. Really? Okay. You have 100 more. I know.
And adjust this.
Okay.
So 160 to go.
That reminds me, I need to get some rubber snakes to put in my garden to scare the rabbits away.
You want? I'll give it to you. 20 take a show, but I'll give it to you.
Okay.
What color you want?
That one. The one with the spots, yeah. Red and black, friend of Jack. Those are the deadly ones.
Friend of Jack.
Yeah.
Well, ladies, thank you.
They taught us that rhyme in school.
Yeah.
Forgot it. Okay, that's a cool hair clip. Did you see that?